Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok draft videos to your phone or device camera roll to have on your device. So what you want to do to first off save something as a draft is create a new video or upload. Go ahead and upload it. And like normal, what you want to do is go ahead and go to next here, and then you'll see the option at the bottom that says drafts right next to the post button. So if you tap on drafts, it will show up as drafts. If we just tap on the drafts folder there, it's going to show me the videos that I have saved currently as drafts. So what you want to do to save the draft to your device or camera roll is you want to go ahead and tap into the post or video like I'm doing here. And then once you are here, you want to go ahead and just tap on next like you normally would. And right here under the settings where it says who can watch this video, just go ahead and tap on that option and set that or select only me. So go ahead and tap on only me. And then once you've done that, you want to tap on the more options button there. You'll see it somewhere on the screen, and then make sure that the save to device is enabled. So if it's checked in green over to the right, that means that it's enabled, and whenever you post this video, it will save it to your device. Now, again, make sure that the privacy is set to only me, and then the more options has your save to device selected. Once we're done, go ahead and tap post. It's going to post the video, but again, it's not going to be presented to your followers or people on TikTok. And that's it. Once the video publishes, you can either delete it or keep it as private there on your profile. It really doesn't matter. And it will be now saved to your device in the camera roll. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything with TikTok, put it in our FAQ comment pinned below, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video.